The life of Jesus Haz Isa. Jesus, known as Hazrat Isa in Islam, is one of the most influential figures in human history. He was born to the Virgin Mary, Maryam, in Bethlehem, and is regarded as a prophet in Islam and the Son of God in Christianity. His life, teachings, and miracles have had a profound impact on billions of people across different faiths. Birth and early life. According to Islamic belief, Jesus was born through a miraculous virgin birth. His mother Mary was a pious and devout woman chosen by God to bear this special child. The Quran states that when Mary withdrew to a secluded place, the angel Gabriel, Cebrail, appeared to her and informed her that she would conceive a son by God's command. This miraculous birth occurred without the involvement of a human father, signifying God's power. After his birth, Mary faced accusations from her people, but baby Jesus miraculously spoke from the cradle, affirming his prophetic mission and declaring his servitude to God. His childhood details are not extensively mentioned in Islamic tradition, but he is believed to have been a righteous and wise person from an early age. Prophetic mission and miracles. Jesus was sent as a messenger to guide the children of Israel, Bani Israel, back to the path of monotheism. He preached the worship of one God, Allah, and encouraged people to live a life of faith, kindness, and righteousness. Throughout his mission, he performed many miracles, all by God's will. Some of his most well-known miracles include healing the sick and curing lepers, restoring sight to the blind, bringing the dead back to life, creating a bird from clay and making it come to life, speaking from the cradle as an infant to defend his mother. These miracles were signs of his prophethood and divine mission, proving that he was sent by God to guide humanity. Opposition and the end of his earthly life. Despite his teachings of love, mercy, and devotion to God, many religious leaders and rulers opposed Jesus. They saw him as a threat to their authority and plotted against him. While Christian belief holds that Jesus was crucified and resurrected, Islamic belief differs. According to the Quran, Jesus was not crucified. Instead, God raised him to heaven and someone else was made to resemble him and was crucified in his place. This event remains one of the key differences between Islamic and Christian perspectives on Jesus. Muslims believe that Jesus will return to earth before the Day of Judgment. He will defeat the false Messiah, Dajjal, restore justice, and guide people to the true faith. His second coming is seen as a major event in the Islamic eschatological tradition. For more content like this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos.